Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun DIY project that's perfect for videographers of all levels building your own camera slider. If you've ever wanted to add smooth, cinematic movement to your shots without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. A camera slider can really elevate the production value of your videos, making them look more professional and engaging. But buying a professional slider can be expensive. That's why we're building one ourselves. We're going to create a manual camera slider that's simple to make and surprisingly effective. First, let's talk about why you'd want a camera slider in the first place. Sliders are fantastic for capturing smooth, horizontal movements, like a slow pan across a landscape or a gentle slide towards a subject. This type of movement draws the viewer's eye and adds a polished feel to your footage. It's ideal for interviews, product shots, or any situation where you want to add a dynamic element to your video. Now, let's gather our materials. You won't need anything too fancy or expensive. Here's what you'll need: 2 parallel PVC pipes. These will serve as your rails. A wooden base. This will be the platform for your camera. A small dolly, which can be created using wood or other sturdy material, and felt pads or similar material. You'll also need some basic tools, like a saw, drill, measuring tape, and some glue or screws. Remember, the exact dimensions of your slider depend on your needs, so adjust accordingly. Okay, let's get started. First, measure and cut your PVC pipes to your desired length. These are the rails. Next, prepare the wooden base. This will be where your camera will mount. Make sure it's sturdy and level. Then, construct the dolly. This is the platform that will slide along the PVC pipes. Ensure your dolly fits comfortably between the pipes. Attach the felt pads to the bottom of your dolly. This will provide a smooth, friction-free movement along the pipes. The felt pads are key to achieving that professional-looking slide. Attach your camera to the dolly, and you're ready to shoot. Using the slider is straightforward. Place your slider on a stable surface, like a tripod or a table. Position your camera and frame your shot. Then, gently slide the dolly along the rails. Start slow, and experiment with the speed to get the smooth movement you desire. You can achieve some fantastic, professional-looking shots with even a smartphone camera, thanks to this simple setup. With your DIY camera slider, you can capture dynamic shots without investing a lot of money. Remember to experiment with different speeds and angles to maximize the slider's potential. Have fun creating, and don't be afraid to get creative with your shots. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!